In this video, you're going to learn the top 5 benefits of using cold laser therapy to heal an L4-L5 disc bulge. If you're suffering from an L4-L5 disc bulge, this may be the breakthrough you're looking for. If you're dealing with an L4-L5 disc bulge, you're likely looking for ways to avoid surgery and find alternative treatments that really work while avoiding the long recovery period from a surgical procedure. That's why many doctors and patients have found cold laser therapy to be a very attractive choice for healing an L4-L5 disc bulge. Cold laser therapy has been proven to be non-invasive, effectively speeding up healing and decreasing medication often needed when people are healing from an L4-L5 disc bulge. Keep watching this video to learn everything you need to know about using cold laser therapy to heal from a disc bulge or herniation, and why it is so effective and how it works. Not only will you learn the top 5 benefits of using cold laser for an L4-L5 disc bulge, you're also going to learn how many visits it typically takes, what results you can expect, and the effectiveness of using cold laser therapy in the long run. Plus, I'll share with you the science and research behind cold laser therapy in an easy to understand way. By the end of this video, you're gonna know everything you need to know about cold laser therapy, why it is safe, effective, non-invasive alternative to surgery, and you'll be armed with the knowledge to make a good informed decision about your health. Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Silverston, and I'm a chiropractor here in Ellicott City. I bring you over 30 years clinical experience helping patients with sciatica, low back pain, upper back, neck, shoulder, arm pain, headaches, and more. The purpose of this channel is to provide tips and strategies to help you live pain-free. Before I dive in, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you would like more information that's going to help you live a healthy, pain-free, productive life. Okay, so let's start by answering the question, what is laser therapy? And what is a cold laser or a class 4 laser, otherwise known as low-level laser therapy? Well, as we know, laser beams can be hot, they can cut and burn things. They're used in many applications from surgical procedures to even cutting steel. There's also such a thing as a cold laser, which is perfectly safe and non-invasive, and it's used in healing. And so a cold laser or a class 4 laser has been proven to be very effective at speeding up the healing process, decreasing pain, inflammation, scar tissue, even preventing nerve cells from dying and helping regenerate tissues and cells in the body. The way that laser therapy works is it projects a light and it penetrates into the cells of the body. And that stimulates inside the cell the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. And so what it does is it causes the mitochondria to produce more ATP or energy. And that speeds up healing, decreases pain, decreases inflammation, decreases scar tissue. And this laser therapy has actually been proven to be safe and effective. It's actually got 24 FDA clearances, which are very hard to achieve because to get FDA market clearance for any medical device, it requires years of time and effort and lots of research to prove that it's safe and effective. So there's lots of information out there now that proves that this is a very safe, effective treatment. In a moment, you're about to learn how many sessions it takes to heal an L4-L5 disc bulge, what type of results you can expect, and how effective this is in the long run. But first, I want to go over the top 5 benefits of using cold laser therapy to heal an L4-L5 disc bulge or herniation. The number one reason is laser therapy is non-invasive. It's very safe. Unlike surgery, there's no incision, so you can avoid the risks and complications associated with surgery. Number 2, laser therapy is proven to decrease pain and inflammation. Number 3, cold laser therapy is proven to heal and regenerate tissues naturally and non-invasively. Number 4, it's safe and effective. And number 5, cold laser therapy has a quick recovery time. Unlike surgical procedures, it can take a long time to heal up from that. I'll share more about recovery time and what you can expect in just a moment. But first I want to show you what a typical laser treatment care plan will look like and how long it takes for somebody to respond. Sometimes people feel so much better in just one treatment, but in most cases, the most effective long-term results are if we do laser therapy in a series of treatments over a period of time. So usually we will do 6 or 12 at a time, often a few times a week, initially to see how somebody's going to respond. Cold laser therapy can be used as a standalone treatment, but we found the most success when we combine cold laser therapy with chiropractic care, neurological exercises, and physical therapy. This speeds healing time, providing faster pain relief and improved function. And oftentimes, we'll see results that we didn't even expect. Nan came into our office with low back pain, and she inquired about using the laser. We had used the laser for only 2 visits when Nan reported that she saw an improvement in her energy, and the brain fog that she had for years was completely gone. She decided to continue using laser therapy, and after a month, she called our office so excited because she had just gotten her lab work back, and she found out that her hypothyroidism that she had been battling with for over 5 years was completely gone. Everything was totally normal, and she attributed those changes to using the cold laser therapy. What results might you expect from cold laser therapy? Well, very typically it'll improve healing time by as much as 2 to 4 times as fast. It decreases pain, inflammation, reduces scar tissue, improves function, and very often people will say it just gives them a better sense of well-being. There is research that shows that patients who receive cold laser therapy were still receiving healing benefits 6 months after the treatment was administered. So we have many patients enjoying the benefits of cold laser therapy for L4-L5 disc bulge, as well as many other conditions. I hope you now have a better understanding of how cold laser therapy can be used as an effective treatment for L4-L5 disc bulge and as an alternative to surgery. With this information, you are now armed with the knowledge to see if cold laser therapy is something that you should be seeking for treatment of your L4-L5 disc bulge. Now I'd love to hear from you. What treatments have you tried for L4-L5 disc bulge? What has worked for you? What has not worked for you? Please let us know in the comments below. If you learned something about cold laser therapy and found value in this video, please like and share this video with your friends and loved ones so that they can also learn more about cold laser therapy for the treatment of L4-L5 disc bulge or other health conditions. Also, go ahead and subscribe to our channel to receive more information about how to live a healthy, pain-free, productive, happy life. The next video you should watch is this one. You'll see how we use cold laser therapy with our patients. Go ahead and watch that video now.